Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to use the voucher on Foodpanda now. If you want to use the voucher on Foodpanda but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to use a food voucher on Foodpanda, you need to simply apply the voucher during the checkout process. Now to do so, you need to simply open the Foodpanda app and make sure that you are logged into your app. So as you can see, this is the home page of Foodpanda, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper task. Now to apply the voucher, you need to select the restaurant and you need to add the items to your cart. So there is no current any restaurant available. So after selecting the specific number of items from the cart, you need to go on the checkout page, and under the payment section you will see the option of promo code or voucher field. So you need to click on it. After that, you need to enter the voucher code and click on the option of apply. So after clicking on the option of apply, the discount will be applied to your total order, and after that you need to complete your payment method and you will receive a specific number of amount discount on your Foodpanda order. So you may do also this, or you may go on the option of accounts, and here you will see the option of vouchers. So click on it and you will see the various voucher which they provide. So you may simply use the voucher from here, or you may also click on the option of add a voucher and you may simply add the voucher which is available from here. So that's how you can use a voucher on your Foodpanda account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.